Yo, man, Jacksonville, Florida, man. They do it over here, guys. Jacksonville's, watch out. They're coming. Rick Ross show right around the corner. These guys are dropping some awesome cars, man. Fox Chevy, got the Armani, 26-inch gold Armani spokes. Got the Vogues pinstriped inside there. Mayonnaise and mustard, you can't go wrong, guys. And I love the way people are just doing something different. He's still working on the car. He has other cars. This guy, great customer. He's coming to the Rick Ross car show. Hashtag LS. But check this out. Like I always tell people, do something different, right? The man put clips on the back of the trunk. No. His system was banging so hard, he kept on breaking his trunk. He said, I got an idea. Let me put a clip here and gold plate it. If I stop banging my trunk so bad. Listen, guys, it's all about being different. It's all about being unique. Listen, I gotta tell everybody, stay in your own lane, guys. This is unique, this is custom work. Don't copy everybody. Be original, coast to coast. Always doing something different. Peace. we at?
10,000.
10,000?
Yeah, about 10.
What? He said 10 grand. Let's sell it. 10 grand. 28s, big lip, 7-inch lip, all gold, 10 grand, under cost. Let it go, let it go, let it fly. Yo, it's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and the Rick Ross Show is coming up around the corner. Y'all want these? These are rose gold Danes staggered in stock, 18 grand. I got one set. Listen, I said 20 before, but you know what? I'm ready to lose some money. 18 grand, take it or leave it, one set.
Where are we at? Where are we at right now?
Well, we used to be on television. We got a 72 dome, 30-inch Sabini. We got a Duval County Dome Master lift on it. Squatted, tubbed out. Got your full link under the back with nothing but coilovers. Get rid of your old factory coils. Put your coilover. Adjustable, fully adjustable.
Squatted on 30s here, coast to coast Jacksonville.
Come right here to the trunk.
We're coming, we're coming, we're coming.
Big dogs work.
We're coming, we're coming.
Tubbed out.
Tub,
Got
ready to
your
go,
5
squatted.
inches on the spot, right here, on the tub.
Little late night action here in Jacksonville. 26s. Mr. Adam doing his thing. 26s on the Escalade.